Hi folks, Watto here. Just thought I'd do a real quick one. Some of you might know I've had an issue with my DJI Osmo Action, which is the main camera I vlog on. It now no longer decides to accept the micro SD card, so you push it in, it just comes straight back out, so that's no good. So I've contacted DJI and arranged a repair. So I've packaged him up. There he is. I'm going to drop him off at the drop-off point, send him on his way. He's off to the Netherlands, hopefully to be repaired. I'll check back at a later date. Right then, we're back. Been delivered back to me after a little bit of a saga, which I'll tell you about now. So, wrapped poor little Osmo Action up, sent him off via UPS, which was arranged by DJI after contacting them initially. Sent me all the relevant documents, commercial invoice, etc., because it was going to the Netherlands, and obviously over here in the UK we're not in the EU anymore, so it has to have all the right documentation. That was sent through, dropped off at a UPS access point, off it went. A week later, it's still not arrived. Tracked, chased it with UPS, didn't really get a lot of joy, no information as to where the parcel had got to. So I contacted DJI again, asked if they could do anything from their end. It must have worked, because a day later they had it back in there, they had it in their facility, and said that the repair would take 2 to 3 days, which it did. 2 or 3 days later, I get an email saying, okay, repair's been done, here's an invoice, which itemised all out, basically came to nothing. So they repaired the SD card module and shipped it back on its way. A couple of days later, I get an email from UPS saying we will deliver your parcel 12 noon tomorrow. So quick call to Dad.
Hello, Dad.
Can you come and sit in for an hour, wait for the parcel? Brilliant. Dad comes round, 2 hours, 3 hours, nothing. Forget it, rest of the day. Tried tracking it again with UPS, no joy whatsoever. No information on their website with the tracking numbers, etc., other than on its way. Brilliant. Can't contact anybody at UPS. The next morning at 7:30 in the morning, I get another email. Your parcel's been rescheduled, it will deliver today at 12 noon. Brilliant. Dad.
Hello, Dad.
Can you come and sit round again? Yeah, no problem, because he's brilliant like that. An hour later, I get an email from UPS saying, your parcel's been delivered, we've left it on your doorstep. Brilliant. So you've now got a few hundred quid's worth of camera sat on a doorstep in a cardboard box, in the rain, freezing cold. Anybody to see. We live in a cul-de-sac, so it's, you know, it's not the most private address. On the phone again to, you guessed it.
Hello, Dad.
Nips round, grabs a parcel, brings it in, all's okay, brilliant, here it is. So, moral of the story, DJI's customer service, brilliant. Their communication, brilliant. UPS, not so much. If you're going to pick a courier, try and pick one with a bit more of a user-friendly interface on their website, etc. Anyway, so let's have a look. Here is the box with the invoice. No commercial value, brilliant. Let's get it through customs. Let's have a look what we got in. So, okay. A flight safety guide. Interesting, as it's a camera, not one of my DJI drones. But anyway, we'll read that in case I ever want to fly the camera. What's this? This is just a compliment slip. Thank you very much for your trust and support in DJI. Brilliant. Right, let's get in here. What we got here? Packaged well. Very, very good. The old bubbly wrap. Keep that. You never know when you want to send something else. Looks like some form of extra wrapping. Ooh, blimey, don't drop it now. Plastic bag. Inside is Old Faithful. Chuck that back there. Osmo Action. There he is. Brilliant. So we have him back, hopefully with, okay, so it looks like it's actually a new door on the side there as well, where the SD card goes. I don't know if you can see that. So we'll have a look in a second. We'll chuck a battery in and see how it's doing. First things first, try an SD card in there, which before would not go in. Well, it would go in, but it wouldn't stay in. I haven't got any nails. In it goes, and it stays in. That's a good thing. We find a battery. We slip it in. There we go. Okay, so it's been completely reset, which I will log it with your DJI Mimo app, resync it, and I guess update the firmware again, which is what you would have done originally when you bought it. So we'll do that in a second. So yeah, all in all, looks pretty good. Just double check. Yeah, card is staying in. Cool, so I'll set that up in a minute. That's brilliant. So all in all, what I would say from DJI is excellent customer service. I have actually got to mention there's another thing in the box here, which is a little Brucey bonus, a nice little DJI hat. As you know, in my videos I've usually got a hat on. I do like a cap, various caps. So now I got one from DJI. Brilliant. So DJI customer service, brilliant. Communication, brilliant. Attention to detail, brilliant. Courier service used, UPS, no. So that's about it from me. Thought I'd share this with you in case you were interested. Anybody that's got DJI products out there and wants to use care and refresh or under warranty, good experience. So hope it helps. Thanks very much. We'll see you on the next one.